Now, Jamaica secured 5 more medals on Sunday's second and final day of the IAAF World Relays in the Bahamas to take their tally to 6 overall. The women's 4x100 meters relay team were the highest finishers on the day, securing silver in a season's best time.
The quartet didn't feature any of the members from the team which won silver at the Olympic Games in Rio last year, but nevertheless turned in a creditable performance. The team of Simone Facey, Natasha Morrison, Gaye Evans and Sasha Lee Forbes clocked 42.95 seconds. They finished behind Germany, who clocked 42.84, with China taking bronze in 43.11. The USA's first leg runner, Tiana Bartoletta, slipped and fell. Earlier, the country secured 4 bronze medals, starting with the women's 4x4 quartet of JANIEVE Russell, Anisha McLaughlin-Wilby, Verone Chambers, and Stephanie Ann McPherson, who stopped the clock in a season's best 3 minutes 28.49 seconds. They finished behind winners the United States, who clocked a world-leading 3:24.36, and Poland 3 minutes 28.28.
On my first world relays, the experience was great, the atmosphere, and my teammates in the 4x4, everything just combined, and I'm glad that we came up with a medal.
Well, first of all, I'm really excited that I got a chance to run at the World Relays. I've always wanted to be there, and I feel blessed that I was able to be a part of the Final Four, and I'm happy for the bronze medal.
Following disappointment in the 4x100 meters, 2011 World 100 champion Johan Blake returned in the 4x200 to anchor the team of Nicola Ashmead, O'Shane Bailey and Rashid Dwar to a minute 21.09 seconds behind Canada and the USA. Another season's best followed in the men's 4x4 as Peter Matthews, DEMISH Gaye, Martin Manley and Stephen Gale clocked 3 minutes 02.86 behind winners the United States and Botswana.
Well, there was a little bit of nerve, but the guys that were there were some pretty rounded guys, and we knew that we could do it same way.
And the combination of Javier Bell, Ristanana Tracy, Natoya Gould and Jamari Rose also made the podium in the inaugural mixed relay event in 3 minutes 20.26, with home team Bahamas securing the win and the USA finishing in second. The USA once again won the golden baton with 60 points, with Jamaica finishing behind them for a third consecutive year with 39 points. Jamaica's only gold medal came in the women's 4x200 on Saturday's opening day. Ricardo Chambers, TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Ricardo. World-renowned track and field coach Glenn Mills has weighed in on the debate over the hectic schedule for the nation's junior athletes. Having competed at the Boys and Girls Championships and the Carifta Championships 2 weeks apart, the high schoolers will now turn their attention to the Penn Relays, which gets underway on Thursday, April 27. But Mills says it might be time to take a look at reducing the number of meets on the local calendar.
And then the athletes have an additional run because they have to run these Carifta trials and then run champs. And it's the same people who are going at it at high level. And then 2 weeks later, you're back at it at champs. And then a week later, you're back at it as Carifta. And not even the seniors go through that kind of rigors. Maybe then we need to probably take a second look at it. Do we need a Carifta trials?
This is the actual...
Mills also said he was disappointed in the nation's recent returns at the World Youth and World Junior Championships.
World Youth, where we were top of the medal standings, where we won several gold medals. I think it was the Manley, O'Hara, and those people.
2013.
Right. And then after that, we went to the same group of persons went to the World Junior Champion in Oregon, and we didn't even come close in compared to what we had done. And the last World Juniors again, our performance still didn't match up to what we are accustomed to. Is that, one would ask, is that a signal? Because the standard at champs has gotten higher and higher every year.